Hello friends, welcome to the computer connection. My name is Gaurav Kumar. Hope you all are good. So let me start the video. If your PC connected to the internet but you can't access the internet, so now we will see how to fix this problem. Click on Windows icon, then search here CMD. You can use this method in any Windows. Then right click on that, then click on Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes. Here you need to type a simple code. 1 second. So this is the code you need to type: netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Then hit enter. Then you will get this type result: successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So don't restart now, we have to type one more command, so don't restart. Then second command is netsh space int space ipv4 space reset.log. Then hit enter. After that you will get this type result. I will give you the both command line in the description. You can copy and paste. And after this process, restart your PC. I hope your problem will be solved. If you are still facing problem, so we will use second option. So right click on start button, then click on device manager. Now click on extend the network adapters. Select the Wi-Fi adapter and right click on that. Then click on update driver. Then here you have to select search automatically. So you can see here the best drivers for your device are already installed. So if your PC has old driver, you can update your driver using this method. Then click on close. So if you are still facing problem, then right click on your Wi-Fi adapter, then click on uninstall. After the uninstalling device, then click on action, then click on scan for hardware changes. So after this, make sure your problem will be solved. So that's all about this. And if your problem is solved, then don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.